Ever wondered if what you know about strep throat is fact or fiction? We've all heard tales about this pesky ailment, but it's time to separate the wheat from the chaff. For starters, let's debunk a common myth. Strep throat is not just a children's disease. While it's true that kids between 5 and 15 are more prone to it, adults can catch it too. Another widespread misconception is that strep throat can only be treated with antibiotics. While antibiotics are a common and effective treatment, there are also natural remedies that can help soothe symptoms and speed up recovery. Lastly, some people believe that strep throat is a minor inconvenience. In reality, it's a serious bacterial infection that, if left untreated, can lead to complications like rheumatic fever or kidney inflammation. So, there you have it. Myths busted. Now that we've cleared the air on some of these myths, let's dive into the science behind strep throat. So, what really happens in your body when you have strep throat? You see, it all begins when the bacteria, known as Streptococcus, makes its way into your throat. This unwelcome guest clings to the throat surface and starts to multiply, causing inflammation and that all too familiar soreness. Now, your body, being the remarkable machine that it is, instantly recognizes this invader and launches an immune response. Your white blood cells rush to the infected area, aiming to eliminate the bacteria. This battle can cause the swollen and tender lymph nodes that often accompany strep throat. You might be wondering about nutrients and their role here. Well, while good nutrition supports overall health and immunity, it's crucial to note that strep throat isn't caused by any specific nutrient deficiency. It's the Streptococcus bacteria, not a lack of vitamins or minerals. That's the real culprit. Understanding the science behind strep throat helps us make informed decisions about its treatment. Are there natural remedies that can help you recover from strep throat? Indeed, there are. Let's delve into some proven and effective natural remedies that combat the infection and bolster your immune system. First up, we have honey. A sweet remedy, literally. Honey is a natural antibacterial and can soothe your sore throat while fighting off the bacteria. Next is garlic. This pungent powerhouse contains allicin, a potent antibacterial that can help your body fight off the strep infection. Ginger root, rich in anti-inflammatory properties, is another wonderful remedy. It soothes the throat and can help reduce fever, a common symptom of strep. Then we have bone broth. Packed with nutrients, it's like a comforting hug for your throat and immune system. Lastly, but by no means least, is the humble apple cider vinegar. Its acetic acid content can help kill the bacteria causing your strep throat. Remember, while these remedies can help, always consult your healthcare provider for the best treatment plan. How long will it take to recover from strep throat? This is a question we often hear, and the answer is, it depends. With proper care and natural remedies, you should start to feel better within 3 to 5 days. However, it's crucial not to rush the process. Your body needs time to heal and fully recover, so make sure to rest and hydrate. In some cases, if the symptoms persist or worsen after a week, it's time to seek medical attention. Remember, strep throat is not just a common cold. It's a bacterial infection that, if left untreated, can lead to serious complications. So listen to your body, give it the care it needs, and don't hesitate to reach out to health professionals when necessary. Your health is your wealth, after all. We hope this video has been helpful. If you've enjoyed it, please remember to like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. See you in the next video.